morning, teacher.
Good morning.
Alright, I'm going to take out my phone. I'm going to take out my phone out and, okay. There you go. I put it. Now I'll put the rest of my things in this box here. I'll put my purse, my glasses, and I have phones here. Okay. There you go. Now, so today, we're going to learn about this, that, my, and your. Alright, class?
Okay, teacher. It will be fun.
Alright, so I'm going to write it down with my marker here. This, that, my, and your. So, for example, this, that. This is mine. That is yours. This is mine. And that is yours. This is my marker. That is your marker. This is my marker, and that is your marker. So do you get it about this and the other word that?
Yes, teacher. Like this is my marker, and that is your marker.
Great job, Brianna. Nice job.
This is my chair. This is my chair.
That is your chair.
And that, and teacher, that is your chair.
Exactly. That is my chair, and that is your chair. Nice job. Really great job, Brianna. So this is close to me. So this is this. That one, that is far away from me. So I'll say that, because it's far away. And this is close. So this, and then that. So do you get it?
Yes. Yes, teacher.
So Lila, do you want to give some examples?
Yes, teacher. Like for example, this is my book. This is my book.
Yeah, correct. Good job.
That is the I Love Mom is your book.
Yeah, it is my book, and that is your book.
This is a book, and that is the book. Because that is a little far to me. So we call that.
And that one's close to you, and we call that?
This.
Mm-hmm.
And this is mine, and that is yours.
Correct. After learning about this and that, so we're going to learn about these and those. Those are the words that we're going to learn about. So, Fiona, can you come up here and stand over there?
Yes, teacher.
Alright. For example, if I have one, this, and if I put two, it would be these. And those are yours. But if you only have one, you say that is yours. But if you have two of them, it would be those are yours. Those. If there's one, that. If there's two, those. So these are mine. Because they're closer. They're mine. And those are yours. And we won't say these is or those is. We'll put these are and those are. So we can also use my and your. It's like these are mine, those are yours, like that. So Brianna, can you give me an example?
Yes, so for example, those are your markers. We can also say these are my markers or these are your markers.
Nice job, Brianna. So even if there's two people, we would still use your. Because Those are yours. So if there's one person, we would use your, and even if there is two people, we would use the word your in the sentence.
Okay, teacher.
So we're done with our class, so I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye, class.
Bye, teacher.
So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please, please, please like and subscribe and hit the bell notifications. Bye.